Yuma, this is where the drama is.
Someone else out there feels
You open it and there's quite a few of things inside here. Hey all, good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ndunde, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this is the next day after arriving from China. Yesterday I slept the entire night. Like I slept like a baby. I didn't even know I was that tired, but I feel much better, like my brain is functioning. But before I start anything, I need to get my nails done because they look crazy, and my hair. And I have to do it today because tomorrow is my baby's graduation. She's graduating, going to grade 1, so I need to look good, at least presentable tomorrow. So that's my order of business today, and then I'm uploading a video so easy too. But I think there are some things I didn't show you, so I have like a little haul. I didn't show you when I got them. Either some of these things I did show, or I didn't show, but I'm very sure I never showed this pajama. Inakuja na kala mbili, the blue one. I never showed the blue one, so here is the blue one and this is the green one. The biggest size was an XL, that's why I didn't even post in the group, but kulikuwa na small, medium, large and XL peke yake. So this is the biggest. Na nikiketi chini kuna vile inafunguka, so there's a way, kuna vyenye they need to be cleaned. Next thing is this t-shirt that I didn't get to show you guys. This inakaa hivi. It's almost close to the one I wore yesterday. In fact, it's similar to the one I wore yesterday. The one I wore yesterday ilikuwa inakaa hivi, but nyuma it's giving. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Yuma, this is where the drama is. Let's see hapa mbele. Well, this is more dramatic kidogo, but behind, so I have either this one in white. Yeah, this one. I have this one in white as well. Yo, you know I love my tees. So this is really nice. Yuma zinakaa the same kweli. I never even checked well. Well, it's the same kabisa, but this is how this looks and this is how the white one looks. They look so good and the quality is really nice. I never got to show because hiyo duka walikuwa wanasema I have to take like 50 pieces, so nikachukua tu zangu. Of course the price when you get one is a bit expensive. I'm not sure if I showed this one. Yet sijui nitakuwa naivalia wapi because this is like a dolly na kama mtoi, but I don't mind since it's a tea na naeza vaa. So there's this, and then this dress I did show you. Hizo zote zinahitaji kufuliwa, and then this top. I think I'm not sure kama nilikuwa nimevaa here. Yeah, I think I did wash it in China na nikaivaa na nikaiosha tena. So this is, I never showed, inanukia vizuri. I never showed this one. Inasema doing my best, and that is is that DERTHER? What does that even mean? What does that mean? But yeah, that's my t-shirts haul for what I got. I also have other things that I never showed, like this. This one is supposed to expand your memory if your phone is full, and of course with the likes of iPhone kuambiwa ununue space, I think this will do good. This is a 1 TB. It's a flash drive and it's also a phone extender for 1 TB. Like 1 TB is huge. And then I got this one. This is a carrying light for my phone. So nikifanya videos na simu, this is perfect. Iko na hiyo alafu iko na hii stand. Is this a stand? Yeah, this is a stand. Sijui nafaa kuishikisha wapi, but it's a stand. Hii nafaa kwenda wapi? So hii unaweka tu kwa simu and then unaiwasha. I think I showed this one. I still haven't charged it, but yeah, I don't think there's anything else that I got and I never showed you guys. Is there? Yeah, but I did show this one as well. Haka ni kaspika kasimu, like you connect it to your phone. It's a wireless microphone, so kuna hip here. Yeah, I think that's it literally. So I'm gonna go get my hair done, my nails done, and then come back jioni. Probably pass by the phone. Vitu zingine nilifaa kuonyesha things that I came with the duka, but nilishapelekwa asubuhi, so I don't have them here. So I'm hoping nikifika kwa duka maybe just maybe nitaweza waonyesha.
Watch what happens every time you do. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? Can you feel it? Can you feel the
Hey y'all. It's Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't do anything, so yeah, and it was Madaraka Day, so yeah, I just stayed indoors. Besides, my nanny had gone for something to do with seeing doctors. Yeah, she didn't aliumiaga, so she had a very painful back, so I gave her an off akimbia kwao to go seek treatment. She told me kuna hosi wanaendaga huko kwao ushago ya sisters, so I had given her an off since Friday. She came back yesterday, so I was just at home with my fam. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to town. I still haven't had time to unbox this with y'all. I think I should sit down and just unbox with y'all, you guys, because sijui nitawai ionyesha lini, and I really need to start using it like ASAP. So let's unbox this bad boy right here. This is the Dji Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Hey, the price that I got this one for, hata usiulize. Okay, so I think that's enough. So when you first open the box, I tried to return everything as it was when I got it. Juu nilikuwa nimezitoanisha when I was coming back juu ya airport. They don't like seeing things, I don't know, in these boxes. Wanaonaga tu iyo ni mpya, so I had to toanisha everything. So there's this is where the camera and everything else is, but it also comes with this package. Only has like nothing else inside here. This one I haven't even seen what it is, but I know ni kama case ama cover. So you unseal and you have this is like where you need to put the camera in. It has a manual. So this is just like a case for the camera. We shall see how this works. But ukifungua tena, you have this really cute packaging, which is like leather. Inakuja hivyo with the DJI. Yeah, with the DJI. So you open it and there's quite a few of things inside here. There's This is the battery, which I'm going to show you in a few. And then this is the camera. Just look at her. Oh my gosh, she is so tiny. Just look at that. So cute, so tiny, so beautiful. Yeah, it's just so cute. Hello there. So to open it, you actually have to rotate this part right there. Ndio unaifungua, and then yes. So sijui hata inaonyesha wapi, but yeah, that's me. Kuna vile nilionyeshwa ndio izunguke, you have to like press. But now I have to connect it to my phone ndio hizi functions zote ifanye, so that it's able to, like, it's a 360, it rotates like on a 360 way. So yeah, I need to return that to unbox for TikTok, and then to lock it you do that, and then it locks. But yeah, well, it's shut now. So next up we have this speaker. Ooh, it's so small, kanakaa hivi, with the DJ inscriptions and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is the speaker. And then next up we have the tripod. Hii ndio unafunguanisha, inaweza kujisimamisha. But I think I should have bought another tripod that the same supplier showed me, but bei ilikuwa ishafika 5,000 just for like a small tripod. Anyway, it also has this where you, this one you put into the camera, you unaiweka hapa like that, and then you screw this one in, and you have a functioning camera with the tripod. So I'm yet to figure out where this one is supposed to go, this one, but I'm guessing it's just another, yeah, this is an extra battery. This is an extra battery. Nikadogo kahi, so if I want to extend it to even be longer, I have this one. Same thing. As you can see, this is the other side, and then when you turn, same thing. Akaba, it's the same as this one, only longer. And then inside we have the charger, type C, both sides. And then we have the thing for the mic, for the microphone. Ooh, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this, like, honestly. So hii ni kama ndio mic. I don't know where to plug this one on, but I shall discover everything. And then this one is just a wire to hold everything together, and that's about it for, okay, there's this one more thing. Oh, this one is for the eye, or the camera itself. Unakaweka hapo kwenye kuna the lens, this one, from what I can see. So yeah, we have ourselves a Dji Osmo Pocket 3. Finally. You should always speak things into existence, cause hey, the way I spoke this thing into existence, yo, only God knows. So tutaonisha hii nimeitoanisha, and then I just have to like put it back up until nijue kuitumia vizuri. But I don't think it's as complicated. But regardless, I'm hoping I'll be able to start using it soonest, like as soon as this week. So I'm still not going to throw away these boxes. They may come in handy. I don't know for what, but who knows, they may come in handy. So I just put everything back. And then store this away, because the main thing that I need is this. Okay, you guys, I need to rush. Like, I'm in a rush to go to town. I have so much unfinished work. I shall see you in my next vlog, hopefully. And yeah, see you guys. Have a good week ahead. Cheers.